In this video, we're going to show you how to use Lightroom presets from FilterGrade. FilterGrade is a marketplace where you can buy all different types of editing tools from your favorite creators. We're going to be showing you how to import the presets into Lightroom, how to apply the effects to your photos, and how to organize your folders with all the presets that you have. First, you're going to open up Lightroom on your desktop. Once Lightroom's opened up, you're going to want to bring in some photos so that you can start editing. I'm going to click on the Finder and just drag and drop into my library. If I have a few photos like this, I usually like to make a little quick collection. Just keeps it nice and organized. If you hover over the plus icon above the presets, then you can create a new preset, you can import presets, or you can even manage the presets that you already have. In addition to this, if you go up to File, you can also import profiles and presets like this. Click on that. Now you can see the folder that your presets are in. Go ahead and select all of those and bring them into Lightroom. Today we're going to be using the Lightroom Preset Starter Kit from FilterGrade. I'll link that in the description in case you want to try it out as well. Now select one of your images, and when you hover over the presets on the left side, it'll give you a preview of what it will look like on your image. Once you find which one you like, go ahead and select it, and you can see all the adjustments that are being made. You can also add the preset once you found which one you like, and then from there you can make minor adjustments, whether it's exposure, contrast, or even different colors. The best part about presets is that once you have a good base to start off of, then you can make minor adjustments and tweak the settings a little bit to make it the perfect photo. And it takes a lot less time than if you're just manually doing it by yourself, editing each step for every single photo. As you can see in the studio, I have a lot of presets that I like to save specifically for different lighting techniques or lighting styles that I use, as well as black and white variations of the presets that I started with. This helps to create more of a cohesive look when I'm editing many different photos from the same shoot. If you want to organize your presets, you can see on the left side, if you right click on one of the presets, you can hit move. And from there, you can select a place to put the presets. I'm going to create a new folder for the FilterGrade Lightroom Preset Starter Kit, which is what we're using today. And then from there, I'll drag the other presets into the folder. This really helps when you're using a lot of different preset packs and have so many different presets for different projects. It keeps everything organized, and then you know if you want to go back and edit more, you still have the same looks that you were editing with before. If you're interested in trying out any other Lightroom presets, make sure you check out the FilterGrade marketplace. And if you want to make any of your own Lightroom presets, check out our tutorial in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.